Hey guys, so today I have another puzzle box for you. I am pretty proud of this one, I guess you could say. It has 4 moves. It's on a 4x6 plate, and I just really like the way that it works. And so I'm going to show you how to solve it, build it, and reset it. So here's the puzzle box. I'm going to give you a 360 view. You'll notice the top looks a little weird. Then you'll notice that there appears to be like a button here. I can't press it, but it does move a little. Also on the other side over here. There's a thing right here. I don't know what this does. Maybe you're supposed to push it in. And then on this side, there's a solid wall, a money piece, a hole right here, and then some things right here. So I'm gonna show you how to solve it. First step is to shake this upside down, and this will come out. This is just to unlock this. So then you can push this in, like this. This piece will stick out on the other side. Just take it out and shake out the tool. Now, I can definitely tell that most people won't get this. Most people will think to push in here, but that does not work. Instead, what you really want to do is you really want to push in the money piece. Yep. A big twist, and then it'll be in like this. Now, if you want, you can just go up here, or you can stick this piece in through here, and then you can take it out, and then you have the money. Oh, and then I'll show you how to reset this puzzle box. So the first step is to put this piece into here, slide it in all the way, so it's like that. Now you can push this in, and then this will lock itself again. Next, you can take this tool, and then just put it in like this. You want to make sure it's on this side, and it's on the bottom, like this. And then you can get this piece, stick the long part in through here. Then when it's like this, you can just push it in. And this will shift over like this, and you can just lock it up by putting this piece in. Here are a couple troubleshooting tips. So let's say that they've gotten here, and they push this out. They got this out, but then they push this over here, and then they take this tool and push it in here. Then this thing doesn't extend. They get it out. But then when you try resetting it, it gets stuck like this, and it can't go all the way in like it should. Well, when I was designing this, and this was not intentional, this piece right here, you can just take this off. Then you can use this to push this in if it wants to go in. Oh, this piece just got a little, okay, there we go. So then you can push this in like this, then it'll push in like this, and you can just put this back on. I found this trick while I was trying to solve a problem, and there's also other little things that you can do. There's other uses for this, such as if you need to push it in through here, like, I forgot the example that I'd come up with it, but if I'm correct, it was if it's like this, and it's like this, well, this can also be used as a tool to push in here. I don't exactly remember how I used it for troubleshooting, but yeah, this spot will just come off, and then you can easily troubleshoot it. I will now show you how to build this puzzle box. So the first step is to get a 4x6 plate. Now you can get a 2x4 tile and put it on in the middle like this. Now get a 2x2 tile and then put it on the end like this, so we just have a straight thing of tiles. Now we can get 2 1x6 bricks and then put them on the sides like this. We are now going to make the piece that keeps the tool in its little place. So first, get a 1x2 plate, and then a corner plate, and put them like this. Now you can get a 1x4 tile, and then attach these two together like this. Now you can get a 1x1 tile, and then put it on this remaining stud. Now going to build up another layer of the puzzle box. So get back this thing. And now you can get a 1x2 plate, put it right here. Now you can get a corner plate, and you can put it here. Next, get a 1x3 plate, and then put it on right here. Now get a 1x4 plate, put it on here. Now get a 1x2 plate, then you can put it right there. Then get a 1x2 tile, and then put it on right here. If I can get it on. Okay, there we go. And then a 1x1 plate right here. Let's now build another layer of this puzzle box. So the first thing we're going to do is get a 1x2 tile, and then put it right here. Now get a 1x2 plate, and then put it right next to it. So it's right here. There we go. Now you can get a 1x3 plate, and you can just stick it on right here. So it's like that. Now get a 2x2 plate, put it right here. Then just get two 1x1 plates, and you can put them right here. So now we have this. We are now going to make two more pieces. So we are going to make the first lock, which is just a simple 1x1 brick with a 1x1 tile on top of it, like this. Now we are going to make the thing with the money on it. So first, grab yourself a 2x2 plate. Now get a 1x3 plate, and then put it on, and it should be hanging over like this. Next, get a 1x2 plate, then you can put it here. Then get a 1x1 plate, put it on the bottom of this. Now we can get a corner plate, and you can put it on right here, just like this. Now get a 1x1 tile, put it on right here. Now get a 1x1 plate, put it here, right on the end of this arm, like this. Next, get a 1x2 tile, then put it on this corner piece right here. Next, you can get a money piece, like this. And then make sure the one is on the side with the stud. It's just for best effect. When people are solving and when they finish it, it'll look best like that. Now get a 1x1 plate, put it on here like this. Now you can just get a 1x1 tile and then put it up here. And we have completed all of the pieces for this puzzle. Now let's build the roof. Before we build the roof, we have to actually place our pieces into the puzzle box. So first, grab this, put it right here, then just get your fingernail. And then make this piece go in like this. Or if you want, you can just take it out and then put the money like this. So it should be like this. Then you can slide it like this. Now, just like how we reset it, you can get the tool, and then you can put it in here. Then stick this piece in here. And then all of this will shift over like this. So it'll be like this. And then you can just stick this piece in right here. So we have all the pieces in now, and then we just have to add on the roof. So we're gonna get a 2x2 tile, and we'll just put it right here. And this is also where the troubleshooting thing is that you can take off. Now you can get a 1x6 tile, and you can put it along here. So it's like this. Next, you can get a 1x2 tile, and then just put it in this little spot right here. And then we'll finish it with a 2x4 tile going on right here. And we have completed the Lego puzzle box. Make sure to like and subscribe.